Hi, this is Manesh Patel at IMTF Trade. Today is November 26th. This is our weekly review of all the TNTs last week. We're going to go through US stocks and currencies. Next week, we will go through also the Indian market and also the Europe market with London. We did not doing that this week due to the holidays. So last week was Thanksgiving here in the US. So as expected, low volume uh, market was closed to, so a short week. So there's not many opportunities at all. Here was everything that we saw on a weekly time frame that had a high probability to move. So this was it. So out of all the currencies, there were only two. Out of all the stocks, S&P 500 and NASDAQ and everything, this was all that was there. What we're looking for is the previous week here at TNT, a black bar. It's kind of hard to see on this one, but it's right there. And what we're looking for is the next week, which is the current week of trading, we're looking for a shade. If it's green, we're looking to buy above this black bar high. If it's red, we're looking to sell below the black bar low, and that's it. It has to be a shade to tell us the direction of the trade. So we're just going to quickly go through that. You can look at the pound swifty here. On last week, there was no shade here, so there's no entry at all. So if there's no shade, no trade. Remember, this is the high probability strategy. And what we're doing is we're just showing you with the high probability strategy what the results would be. There's other things you can do with the TNTs, but we're just keeping it simple right now. Here, this had a green shade with a TNT. Over here, it's no shade at all. So you would not enter this trade here, okay? Remember, no shade, no trade. Over here, EXL, no shade, no trade. Here, this had a shade is red, so you bet on it going down. So you're looking for it to hit this a couple of points below the TNT low, which is this blue dot. No trade there at all. Never did get there. WHR, there's no shade here, no trade. Here, there's no shade, no trade. Here, this had a green shade. It didn't quite get to the blue dot here, which is a couple of points above there. So there's no entry at all. No shade, no trade. Here, you had a green shade, got to the entry dot here. So this is a profitable trade right there. Here, this had a shade, did not get to the entry dot right there. So there's no trade. No shade, no trade here. Here, there's no shade, no trade. Here, there's a red shade here. So you're looking for it to hit the blue dot below the TNT low, which it never got to. No shade, no trade. This one had 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 a shade here, so you entered here. That was a minor loss right there with volatility right there. So this is a loss. No shade, no trade. And no shade, no trade. So if you look at the results here, you had one winning trade right there. And then one losing trade, which is right here. And This is a trade you typically would avoid because of earnings. So you really don't want to take these trades with earnings here. So if you add the rule of not taking trades in the week of earnings, you eliminate that. So you would have one trade here. Remember, this strategy here is high probability. So it's not, goal is not to get a whole bunch of trades, but to find high quality trades. So this is why you're not going to get many trades here, but when you do, the high probability of the win, and you have seen that. So you had one winning trade this week, and that's about it. And if you want, you could go look at the live streams on our YouTube channel, and you could see every week what the results have been, and you could see the results of the weekly scan for the TNT. If you like to get these TNT lists a week before, you could sign up for our program, our subscription service. All you do is go to imtftrade.com and you could acquire there. If you like this video, please like and share this video too. Thank you.